Hello friends, and welcome to this video tutorial on installing the Bible Standard Cyclopedia. This video is specifically for PC users running the Windows 11 operating system. If your PC is running an earlier version of Windows, or you're running a Mac, please see our other installation tutorials. In this session, we will walk you through the steps to install the current version of the Cyclopedia. If you have a previous version installed, you can remove it before continuing. To do so, simply delete the associated files. I'll briefly walk you through one method of doing this, but if you get stuck, don't worry. It won't harm anything to leave the previous version installed. To remove the previous version, simply delete the associated files. For example, to locate the Program folder, right-click the BS Cyclopedia shortcut on your desktop and choose Open File Location. As you see on this computer, the folder is located under Documents. So I will click the word Documents one time, which will bring me there. Then I can right-click the folder of the previous version and choose Delete. If you don't see the delete icon, choose Show More Options. And from that menu, you can choose Delete. Then all I need to do is delete any shortcuts on the desktop by right-clicking and choosing Delete. Again, if you don't see it, choose Show More Options. And once more, right-click, Delete. The previous version is now removed, and you are ready to begin installing the new version. So let's get started. Begin by inserting the USB into your computer. The installation of the Bible Standard Cyclopedia involves two basic steps. The first step will be to copy the Cyclopedia files to your computer and create desktop shortcuts. The second step will be to install Adobe Acrobat Reader, which is the program used to read the Cyclopedia files. I will walk you through both of these steps. But before we begin either of these steps, we must open the USB so that we can see its files. If you don't already have File Explorer open, go ahead and do so by locating the yellow folder icon on your taskbar and click it one time. When File Explorer opens, go over to the left-hand column and locate the icon labeled This PC. Note that you may need to scroll down to find it. Once you see it, go ahead and select it by clicking one time. The window will change, revealing all the icons of the drives on your computer. If the USB is connected to your computer, then you should see a drive labeled BSC. When you find it, double-click on it. You are now looking at all the files on the USB. Now we can begin installing the Bible Standard Cyclopedia. The first step will be to copy the Cyclopedia files to your computer. To do this, locate the folder labeled BS Cyclopedia 8. Now right-click on this folder and select the copy icon. If you don't see the copy icon, choose Show More Options. And then you can choose Copy from that menu. The folder is now copied to your clipboard. You will now paste it to your hard drive. You can put it anywhere you like, but for this tutorial, we will use the Documents folder. So go over to the left-hand column and locate Documents. When you find it, click one time. Your Documents folder will appear with all of your files. My folder is empty because I'm recording on a clean install of Windows, but you will likely see other files in here. To paste the Cyclopedia files, right-click anywhere that is blank and select Paste. Again, if you don't see it, choose Show More Options. The files will begin copying to your hard drive. When it's finished copying, you will now see the folder BS Cyclopedia 8. Now we're going to create 2 desktop shortcuts so that we can easily access it in the future. To do this, open the BS Cyclopedia 8 folder by double-clicking. All the program files will now be displayed. We are only interested in 2 of them. First, locate the file labeled BS Cyclopedia. When you find it, right-click on it. From that menu, choose Show More Options. Now come down and hover over the Send To menu. Another menu will appear. From there, choose Desktop Create Shortcut. This will create a shortcut to the main menu on your desktop. Now we're going to create one more shortcut. Locate the file labeled BSC Simple Search. Make sure to select the file and not the folder. The folder will have a yellow folder icon beside it. That is not the one that we want. Once you locate the BSC Simple Search file, highlight it by clicking one time and then right-click on it. Choose Show More Options, hover over Send To, and choose Desktop Create Shortcut. This will create a shortcut to the BSC Simple Search on your desktop. You are now finished with the first step of the installation. We are now ready for the second step, which will be to install Adobe Acrobat Reader. The Bible Standard Cyclopedia will work with version 8 or higher of Acrobat, but we recommend using the latest version that's available. If you already have a version of Acrobat which you would like to keep, then you can close this installation tutorial and continue with the next video, the configuration tutorial. But if you do not know whether you have Acrobat installed, or if you do not know which version you have installed, don't worry. Just continue to follow along with me. So let's install Acrobat Reader. You should still have File Explorer open. If not, click the yellow folder icon on your taskbar. Once File Explorer is open, locate this PC on the left-hand menu and select it by clicking one time. Once again, open the BSC USB by double-clicking. Find the folder labeled Adobe and open it by double-clicking. Find the Windows folder and open it by double-clicking. And once more, find the Windows 10 and 11 folder and open it by double-clicking. You should now see the installation file for Acrobat Reader. Start the installation by double-clicking the file. Click Yes at this security prompt. Note that it may only appear as a flashing icon on your taskbar. If you see it there, go ahead and click on it, and then choose the Yes button. The Acrobat Reader installation will begin. If at any point during this process you receive an error stating that you already have a newer version of the software, don't worry. Just skip this step, close this tutorial, and continue on with the next video, the configuration tutorial. The Acrobat Reader installation window should now be open and begin extracting the setup files. Just wait for this to complete. Once the setup screen appears, click the Continue or the Install button. The installation will now begin. Just sit back until it completes. You will know that it's done when a window appears with a Finish button. Once you see the Finish button, go ahead and click on it. You can now close File Explorer also, and you can remove the USB. You have now successfully finished installing the Bible Standard Cyclopedia. While the files are now on your computer, there are a few final settings to adjust to make sure the program runs perfectly for you. Please continue to our next video, the configuration tutorial, which will walk you through those final steps. Thank you for watching, and may the Lord bless your studies.